Tammy Slaton has long been one of the most talked about stars of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, but in recent months her transformation has taken a dramatic new turn that fans never imagined possible. For years, viewers followed Tammy's struggles with weight, mobility, and serious health concerns, all while witnessing her fiery personality and determination to break free from the health issues that once controlled her life. Now, after undergoing a life-changing weight loss surgery, Tammy is not only looking physically different but also embracing a side of herself that fans describe as deeply emotional, vulnerable, and surprisingly tender. It is a shift that is capturing attention far beyond the TLC fan base, as the star becomes an inspiring figure of resilience and growth. When Tammy first appeared on 1000 LB Sisters alongside her sister Amy Halterman, many fans doubted whether she would ever reach a point where surgery was possible. Her health was so fragile that even small movements caused her to become exhausted. She relied on oxygen to breathe, faced life-threatening infections, and had constant hospital visits. Doctors repeatedly warned her that her lifestyle could shorten her life drastically if she didn't commit to change. Those early seasons were painful for viewers to watch, with many admitting that they often wondered whether Tammy would survive long enough to make it through another season. Yet through all of the skepticism and setbacks, Tammy held on to a quiet determination that her supporters never stopped believing in. That determination finally paid off when Tammy shocked the world by qualifying for bariatric surgery. It was a grueling process, months of working with specialists, therapists, and nutritionists, and tackling not only her eating habits but also her emotional struggles with food. For Tammy, the surgery was not just a medical procedure but a door to a new life. As cameras rolled, viewers could see the fear in her eyes but also the immense hope that she carried. This was the moment that could change everything, and it did. Since undergoing the surgery, Tammy has shed a remarkable amount of weight and is steadily regaining independence that once felt impossible. Walking without assistance, breathing without oxygen, and fitting into spaces that once felt off limits are just a few of the victories she now celebrates. What is perhaps most surprising to fans is the emotional transformation that has accompanied her physical one. Tammy has always been known for her blunt, sharp-tongued personality, often clashing with family and loved ones when they questioned her choices. But since the surgery, she has shown an emotional depth that many had never seen before. In interviews and candid social media posts, she has opened up about her fears, her insecurities, and the emotional toll of living in a body that felt like a prison for so long. Fans have commented that her softer, more reflective side is proof that she is growing not just physically but mentally and emotionally as well. This emotional side was particularly visible in one recent episode of the show, where Tammy broke down in tears while talking about the support she has received from her siblings. For years, she often pushed her family away, frustrated by their interventions and criticisms. But now, she has expressed deep gratitude, acknowledging that without their tough love, she may never have survived long enough to reach this point. Viewers were touched by her raw honesty, noting that Tammy's emotional vulnerability is as inspiring as her physical achievements. It is a rare glimpse into the inner battles that come with extreme weight loss journeys, reminding audiences that transformation is not just about appearance but about healing years of emotional wounds. Tammy's emotional journey has also been highlighted through her relationships. In the past, she was often linked to partners who fans felt were not supportive of her health goals. Many accused her of being taken advantage of or of choosing people who encouraged unhealthy habits. But since her surgery, Tammy has been more reflective about her romantic choices, admitting that she is learning to love herself first before seeking validation from others. This has been a powerful message for fans, many of whom see their own struggles mirrored in Tammy's story. By putting herself first, Tammy is setting a new standard not only for her health but for her sense of self-worth. On social media, Tammy's posts are now filled with positivity and hope. She shares selfies where her confidence shines through, posts videos of her enjoying moments with family, and celebrates milestones that once seemed unreachable. Fans flood the comments with praise, often saying that she looks not only healthier but also happier than ever before. Some fans have shared their own weight loss journeys in response, crediting Tammy for giving them the motivation to take control of their lives. In many ways, Tammy has evolved from a reality TV star into a symbol of perseverance, proving that even the most difficult challenges can be overcome with determination and support. However, the emotional side of Tammy's journey is not just about joy and gratitude. She has also been candid about the ongoing struggles she faces. Losing weight does not erase years of physical damage or the emotional scars of battling food addiction. Tammy has admitted to moments of doubt, fear of relapse, and anxiety about maintaining her progress. This honesty has resonated deeply with fans, who appreciate that she does not paint an unrealistically perfect picture of life after surgery. Instead, she shows the full truth, the triumphs and the struggles, making her journey both relatable and inspiring. Another major factor in Tammy's emotional growth has been her role as an example for her family. Her sister Amy, who underwent weight loss surgery earlier in the series, has often been a motivator for Tammy, but now the roles are shifting. Tammy's progress has become a source of encouragement for her siblings, who are inspired by her success. Family moments on the show reveal that Tammy's achievements are not just personal victories but shared ones, as her loved ones celebrate her every step forward. This sense of family unity has touched viewers who have followed the Slayton sisters from the beginning, reminding them that at its core, the show is not just about weight loss but about love, support, and resilience. Media coverage of Tammy's journey has exploded in recent months, with headlines celebrating her dramatic transformation and emotional growth. Photos of her slimmer appearance are shared across platforms, and interviews highlight her newfound outlook on life. What stands out most in these stories is Tammy's own voice, one filled with pride, humility, and a renewed determination to keep going. Her journey has even sparked broader conversations about the importance of mental health in weight loss journeys, shining a spotlight on the emotional challenges that often go unnoticed. As Tammy continues on this new chapter of her life, fans are eager to see what the future holds. Many are hopeful that she will continue to embrace her emotional side, using her platform to inspire others and to show that change is possible at any stage of life. Some speculate that her story could even extend beyond reality TV, perhaps through a book or speaking engagements where she could share her experiences in greater depth. Whatever the next steps may be, one thing is certain, Tammy Slayton is no longer defined solely by her struggles but by her remarkable strength, her resilience, and her willingness to open up emotionally in a way that touches the hearts of millions. Her journey reminds us that transformation is never just physical. It is about healing, growing, and finding the courage to confront the emotions that shape who we are. For Tammy, the surgery was not simply about losing weight, it was about gaining a new perspective on life, rediscovering her self-worth, and learning to embrace her emotional side. And for fans, watching Tammy's evolution has been more than entertainment. It has been a powerful reminder of the human spirit's capacity to change and thrive against all odds. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.